Hi, I'm taking a video this morning. I just got up. I know it's late because I slept late last night. So I just got up, and when I opened my eyes, my goodness, there's a lot of work. Supposed to be I woke up pretty early, but I'm just too sluggish and lazy. So now I'm gonna make a video how to clean this kitchen. So at least I know your house is clean. Mine is not. It's not organized all the time. And I will show you. I do this just to encourage each one of us. What's going on in our house, especially this time. I just try to push myself. So I will show to you the before, and while I'm working, I will show to you the after. Okay. And before that, we're gonna eat first. I already drank water in a few minutes ago, and then now I'm gonna eat breakfast. After breakfast, we're gonna start working. Breakfast. There is not for grace. I can tell you where I be. Where no one, my salvation to me. Wala akong pamahaw. Cereal with nuts and apple. Pantawid sa gutom. Katapulan man magluto. Na siya walnut. An almond, I think.
A few moments later. Oh no!
That's the reality of life. Ori! Ori!
Yes,
What are you doing?
I done my job.
Where's you're doing?
I'm doing my job, I said.
Okay.
What job you mean? Mommy, I should do my vitamins.
Want vitamins?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, Mommy.
Anytime. Okay, I have to finish afterwards because we're gonna let our dog out, and I have to, after that I have to finish cleaning before we go to our appointment today. I'm gonna clean this island. This is the last one, and the floor, vacuum it, try to mop the floor as much as I can. So, and now finish.
Sky's going to be here.
Okay. See you later.
A few moments later.
Mommy, it's not clean yet.
Can you clear up your toys in the living room so I can vacuum the floor in a little bit, please?
Oh, yeah. What toys? My what toys?
Your toys in the floor.
What? Mommy, you mean my puppet toys?
Yeah.
Mommy, next time,
Yeah.
Everest has the musical.
Oh, okay.
Because, Mommy, when it's Christmas, you don't get Everest musical. Because Everest is not have a musical.
Christmas is time of the year to give because Jesus gave his life for us, but it's not a demand or a command. You just let the person give heartily without somebody saying to give, okay? You don't demand to.
Mom, what do man do?
Because you don't like to be you don't like others to tell you to give, okay? You just want to give it heartily by your with a happy heart. You give, not that you demand to other people, and you don't ask too, okay? Because that's not nice.
Why not ask?
Because the person, if they understand that's important, they will give it heartily. You don't need to ask anything.
You want to ask anything?
Because that's not nice.
Why that's not nice?
You let the person give to you heartily without asking anything. Especially money matter.
What's money matter?
Especially you're not close or you don't know the person. Okay?
I know, but you can make up forever. Every still has some meat.
That's something.
Has a door in there. Cost real money too. Mommy, and
Did
what?
you already clear your toys in the...
No way.
Why not? How can we get you something when you didn't accomplish anything?
Mommy, I'm going to say some more things. Mommy, we need Rocky's meal. He go in there and there's a closer. He can't get wet.
Oh, okay.
And there's a bag that open in the front underwater and the crab runs into a thing.
Okay.
Now Chase. Chase has a megaphone in the back of it and it floats.
Excuse me?
And it transports a boat.
Oh, okay.
Yes, right. And now never free. Sky has wheels, but they're transfer the wheels off it and it flies through the ground.
Okay.
Now Marshall. And Marshall has wheels, but you transport them to the boat.
Okay.
And the last one is Rubble. Rubble has a poo crane and has a instruction and the bucket open or close to scoop dirt or open up or get stuff.
Okay, you think you're not talking so much?
Yes, I told you so much.
Oh, okay. Excuse me, sir.
No, the sharpener! I gotta get the sharpener out here.
You're talking too much, so you got to slow down.
And Mommy, the Junker Patroller. The Junker Patroller.
What about it?
It has a big like this, a big wire bus.
Oh, our trash can is full. Look at that.
Mommy, it's big like this. The Jungle Patroller is big like this, and right now it's big. It's small like this, but
Big like that and small like this?
yeah, and it has a wheel, and there's a gate on it, and there's a bucket or a grabber. Hold the bucket. Go in.
After.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet for more new video that I'm going to upload pretty soon. Bye bye, take care.